is it, girl?
Long boy, chewy coconut bar, but they were sticks, like not like a bar. If I don't find the sticks, then I'm gonna have to get the bar. This blackjack up, and this one too. How much is this stuff? Girl, we broke back here.
Exactly. That's the idea.
Oh man, I love it.
There's some when you go down that hall right there.
Oh, these are gold. $2 for a rabbit's foot.
Got it.
I'm gonna go look out there. Jeremy, cheaper than this? I paid a lot of money for this shower curtain off of Amazon. It has a frosted side, you can see that, but then the inside of it, it's like smooth. The hooks I'm using. And I paid $8.88 for these at Walmart. They're really lightweight and cheap feeling. I start out by putting one hook up on each of the ends. I wonder how long these are gonna last because they're so cheaply made. I didn't realize that there would be a quality issue here. But I guess it's okay since I like to change up things quite often. Not the best lighting in this bathroom. I think it's okay. I don't love it. The curtain, I like the frost situation. I sort of want to have another shower in the inside to prevent this one from getting all dirty. So I might rig something. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna rig something in the near future. So per usual, whenever I'm trying to decorate or do something, I end up with a mess. So I got $11.06. Spraying it with some Lysol. I already sprayed the other side. And I'm just happy to have all of that recycle that I've been holding on since quarantine. So I'm going to use this money that I got from recycle to put some gas in my car because my car is on E. Whenever I have cash, I get gas. I never like to use my cards at gas stations. It's a windy day. Hair's blowing all over the place, although I didn't really do anything to my hair before I decided to leave and go to the Redemption Center. I'm having trouble figuring out what to eat, so that's already a problem. Rather than just go home and eat stuff I already have, that's going to go bad. $11 gave me almost a half a tank, and it was below the E. So I'm in the thrift store, and I always look at cameras first before I scout out the store. And the store is really dirty today. $4.99 for whatever that is. I'm leery about getting it because I don't know how to clean this chair up. I didn't get anything at the secondhand store. That clear chair he come talking about is $12.99, but he has no idea how much it's going to cost to get it cleaned up, and I don't know how to clean up that chair. I think I'll do my research, and then if it's here next time I come back, maybe I'll consider. Other than that, I think I'll just look forward to getting it out of IKEA. Whenever IKEA opens up, I wanted to get a coffee table from there anyways. I wanted to go home and eat, so I think I'm going to go home and put the chicken in the crock pot, but I probably should get me something to eat in the meantime. We have Jack in a Box. Nothing's inviting except for breakfast, and I don't want breakfast. $3.49 for a double cheeseburger meal. Double cheeseburger, small fries, and small drink. And it doesn't expire until August 2nd. I think I'm gonna get that. Well, let's go to Burger King. This is the time, and I'm gonna start like tidying up for the evening. I'm gonna be watching this Audrey Hepburn, and it has 7 movies in here in this collection, so I'm gonna be watching that this evening. But in the meantime, I just need to tidy up because I don't like going to bed with things all out of sorts, so I have to tidy up the night before. Getting that little area over here situated. I went by Starbucks and got a venti ice water, or the biggest size they have, and I got a lemon loaf. So when I get done tidying up, I might have this, half of it, some of it, I don't know, but I couldn't resist. And plus you got extra points just for buying some sort of pastry. I'm really loving this. I bought this from IKEA. It has the holes in the bottom, so it has a strainer. But yeah, so that is way easier for me. I'm going to go through the list of things that I had planned on getting done today or this week and check some stuff off. So I'm going to sit down for a minute. And then after that, I finish watching the DVDs, pick one out and watch it, and then get ready for my nighttime routine. All right. Gotta buy a new one of these. So in the meantime, I'll be drinking the water I have purchased within the last few days, along with my big old Starbucks cup that I got for Mother's Day, with my Mother's Day cards, I should say. All of my Bible study, and I'm leaving it right there because I study on a whim. I mean, I'm being consistent, which is studying, but I just need it here to, whenever I feel like finish reading the chapters and just enjoying God's Word, it's right here before me. So I'm not going to even move any of this, plus my calendar, which has the things on it that I need to do. 2 calendars, actually. 2 calendars, 2 Bibles, and a journal.